Dinner recipes Bengali. 1. Bengali fish curry. Ingredients: 1 pound firm white fish fillets, cut in 2 cubes. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 1 tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp garam masala powder. Salt to taste. 2 tsp oil. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Water as needed. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a pan and sew the onion, garlic and ginger until soft. 2. Add in the tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. 3. Add in the turmeric, cumin, coriander, red chili powder, garam masala and salt. Mix well and cook for 2-3 minutes. 4. Add in the fish cubes and coat them well with the spice mixture. 5. Pour in enough water to cover the fish and bring it to a boil. 6. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. 7. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with steamed rice. 2. Chingri malai curry prawn curry in coconut milk. Ingredients: 1 pound prawns, peeled and deveined. 1 onion, chopped. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 green chilies, chopped. 1 tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 cup coconut milk. 2 tsp oil. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Water as needed. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a pan and sew the onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies until soft. 2. Add in the turmeric, cumin, coriander, red chili powder and salt. Mix well and cook for 2-3 minutes. 3. Add in the prawns and coat them well with the spice mixture. 4. Pour in the coconut milk and enough water to cover the prawns. Bring it to a boil. 5. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes or until the prawns are cooked through. 6. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or naan. 3. Aloo pesto potatoes in poppy seed paste. Ingredients: for medium-sized potatoes, peeled and cut into cubes. 2 tsp poppy seeds. 1 onion, chopped. 1 tsp mustard seeds. 1 tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp sugar. Salt to taste. 2 tsp oil. Water as needed. Instructions: 1. Soak the poppy seeds in water for 30 minutes. 2. Drain the water and blend the poppy seeds into a smooth paste. 3. Heat oil in a pan and add in the mustard seeds. Once they start to splutter, add in the onions and sew until they turn translucent. 4. Add in the potatoes and cook until they are slightly tender. 5. Add in the turmeric, red chili powder, sugar and salt. Mix well and cook for 2-3 minutes. 6. Add in the poppy seed paste and enough water to cover the potatoes. Bring it to a boil. 7. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked and the gravy thickens. 8. Serve hot with steamed rice. 4. Mishti pulao sweet rice pilaf. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice. 1 onion, sliced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 1 cup mixed vegetables: carrots, peas, beans. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp garam masala powder.